So I bought a mystery box. I bought a mystery box a while ago that turned out to be horrendous. I haven't learned. I bought another one, but I'm pretty sure this one's going to be a good one. So, little box. I think it's wrapped nice. It's a good start. So I'm going to get into this mystery box and reveal its contents. Okay. So first one, I'm not going to get them all out. Some bones of some sort. So it was like a taxidermy oddities one, which is why it got me, I guess. Cool. Oh. Oh. There's an egomorph teeth. Yeah, I'll do a little open of that and see what they are. Raw deer molars, raw deer teeth. Cool. Ooh, a quartz formation crystal. Anything else? Oh yeah. Ooh, fox teeth. Yeah, one more little one. A mountain hare scapula. Cool. I think that's it. Nice little sound. I'm pretty pleased with that. I'll get the name of where I bought it from and I'll tag them in it because I think they look like they do some pretty good stuff. But I'm going to put together like I suppose a display of sorts once I get it open. See if I can incorporate it into my theme. But yeah, pretty cool little collection there. I'm excited. Bye. I'm just going to show you what I did with the things in the mystery box. So I believe that's the rook skull. I'll double check. Teeth in my hydrochloric acid jar. Teeth next to the crocodile. I've got the hair scapula in the top there. Then sort of in my laboratory case, there's I think that's the Guillemot skull. Teeth. Crystal. Teeth. Then I've added some of my own crystals that I got off my brother a while back, so I've got sort of them in there. And it's added to my sort of oddities, medical, quackery, taxidermy type display, which I'll step back. Sits in front of my militaria and on top of my Victorian cabinet. There's Mr. Fox. So yeah, pretty cool. Got the information cards going on the back and the side. Pretty pleased.